Hello Stampin' friends and welcome. This is Dee Osburn and I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today we will be unboxing my new mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I'm so excited. I just got this. I haven't even opened it yet. I thought I would open it with all of you. This is the mini that is on sale right now during the month of March. It's on sale for $48. And I am so excited to get it because I still have the old Big Shot, Big Kick embossing, cut and emboss machines. And I've been wanting to get one of these. I just got the mini. I really want to get the bigger one as well. But this one was on sale and I thought, what a great time to get it and try it out. So let's do it. Let's unbox it. Here we go. Oh, there it is. All right. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so tiny. Boy, this is like so space efficient. Look at that. Oh, it's just perfect. And then this lies down and this side opens up and lies down. I am loving it. That is so perfect. I got some things here that are in the camera view. Let's see if we can get a little closer to it and get a better view of it. Look at that. I'm loving it. Look at this. It's got this nice little platform here and here, and then the handle that sends it through. We're going to give it a try too. Now let me see what else was in this box, because I should have some plates that go with it, that come with it. So with the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, you get these plates. Okay, so let's see, it doesn't really say on here what they are. Let's see if we can figure it out. We have, oh look, they're labeled. Isn't that nice? Okay, it tells you exactly what you have here. So 4, 3, 2, this is a 2, and 1. So let's read and see what all these are. They give you great instructions here. Place die cutting edge down. Okay, so you put the die down. You use this with the thin dies. Okay, use this one with the thin dies. And look, and it gives you, for training tips and ideas, you can go to stampinup.com, cut and emboss, and it'll give you some instruction. But it's pretty simple. You use, you know that we always use our plates, right? So these always go next. So you would put your plate, I guess this would be your thin die plate, and then you put your clear plate on next, and that goes on the bottom. We're going to cut something. I'm going to use a die. Okay, I want to do an embossing folder, but let's do a die as well. Let's cut something. So let me get one of the new thin dies. Which one shall I use? How about the Daffodil Daydream one, right? That's a popular one. Let me get that. Okay, so I put my thin die, I put my clear plate, then I'm going to put that, I'm going to put my die on there, and then you put the plate on top. And let's run it through. Oh, I'm excited. I've never used this before. I didn't stamp it or anything. We're just playing right now, just using the machine and seeing how it works. So you hang on to it, and then it just rolls right through. Oh, it rolls really nicely. And there it's through. And, oh, there's my cut piece. Of course, I didn't stamp it, but you get the idea. It cuts it out beautifully, right? Okay, now let's let's look at what else we have. Now, I want to tell you that when this happens, that is very normal. Eventually, your plates will look really ugly. That's okay. It kind of breaks your heart when that happens, I know, because you're like, oh, my beautiful plate. But that's normal. It's supposed to do that. And eventually, it'll be covered with that. And you can use these interchangeably. Okay? So this one could go on the bottom, this one could go on the top. You can interchange them, okay? All right, so that's the thin dies plate. Then we have, what's this one? This one is for standard embossing folders. And I have this standard embossing folder, and it comes in a pack of 2. This is the what is it called? Thanks and hello. So there's 2 of them, and this one says thanks, and this one says hello, and it's all in different languages. And I have a pen pal that lives in another state, so I thought I would use this one. And I am going to once again use this color. I'm going to put this on here, and I only want, well, we're going to go ahead and just do, we're going to do the whole thing. And I'm going to put it kind of in the center here. I have this line right here. I use that as kind of a guide. And that way, and I'm going to pull it out just a touch as well. That way I know that I'm not going to have a blank spot on either side of this. So let's see. We're going to get our standard embossing folder, and you put, let's see, what do you do? On this one it says you put this down first. See, it's got the instructions. Oh, wait, no. No. Look, see, it tells you exactly what to do. You put number 1 first, and then you put your embossing folder, and it looks like I'm going to have to scooch that in just a little bit more. So cutting, all right, one disadvantage I see is that you won't be able to have much, oh, see, that's too big. So you won't be able to go very wide here. So these are only 3.5 inches wide. So if your paper is bigger than that, it is not going to fit in there. So we're going to cut this one down as well. We're just playing. So we're going to cut this down. And I'm going to stick it in there, and I can trim it down later to the size that I really want. If I was making a card, I would have it already trimmed down, but we're just testing this out. So I got my paper in there. So if you want to do bigger ones, which is what I'm going to want to do, then the bigger one is the one that you're going to want. This one's perfect for if you just have like a little quick little die or a thin one of these that you want to use. This is perfect for that. And it's so handy and travel friendly, right? So let's see. It says put number 1 in there, then put your embossing folder, and remember you want the folded edge always to go in first, because that way the energy rolls and is released out instead of building up towards the fold, because that will ruin and break your embossing folder. And then it says to put number 3 on top. So then we run it through. You hold it and run it through. It goes beautifully. I love it. All right, and then let's look at it and let's see how well we did. Oh, so pretty. It's perfect. I love it. Look at that. Okay, and then it says for the 3D embossing folders, which I'm not going to do one of those right now, but this darker one is for the 3D embossing folders because I don't have a small one that will fit through here. But what you do, you follow the instructions. You use number 1, and then you put your embossing folder and you put number 4, just like you did with the standard, but you use the number 4 for the 3D. And then you run it through. Ah, I love it. So cute, so handy, so space friendly. Look at this. So space friendly. I think if Stampin' Up! Was to redesign these, they could put a little compartment right here where this handle could pop off and stick in there somehow, and then it would be even more tidy and perfect, right? Love it. Absolutely love it. It will fit in a space, whoop, just like that, so nicely. All right, so there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the new mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and come back and see me. I hope that you have a great day. Until next time.